Happy day 118, my 365-day live friends. I'm watching the kids pack for camping this morning, and it reminds me of how we do things differently as individuals and how it is like creating content and doing Facebook Lives. We can plan, but we can plan our content just like we can plan what we're going to take on a camping trip, and people will do that differently. Some people will have elaborate plans, some people will make lists and have everything organized and have to have a really structured way of doing the packing or planning process for their content, and others will just kind of wing it. And it's really fun to watch the different kids and the different styles in how they decide what they're going to take, how they pack their backpacks. And the other thing is, with your content, with packing, you have to pack, and you might have to actually do it and then redo it a couple of times till you figure out what works best. Same is true with our content. We might talk about a topic a couple of times and find out that it's not what our audience wants to hear at all. And we won't know that until we actually deliver that content. We won't know until we actually pack the bag if we're going to be able to carry it or not. We won't know what people will respond to or how they're going to experience what we share with them until we actually deliver the Facebook Live or deliver the content and see what kind of feedback we get. We won't know how what we packed works out for us on our camping trip unless we go on the trip, experience it, find out what we did or didn't have or what we had too much of, and then we know what to do next time. Same thing with our content. We share information with people, we see how they respond. If they like it, we do more of that type content. If they don't, we do something different next time. So as I'm watching the kids, it's really fun to see the differences in all of us human beings and how we approach things differently. We approach our Facebook Lives differently and what we're going to share with people because our audiences and we are all different. Just like each of the kids packs differently and has a different style and way of approaching how they're going to enjoy the experience of camping. So that's all I've got today. I am going to do my webinar again, and I'm going to see if it's 2 hours and 23 minutes. It's been 2 hours and 23 minutes the last 2 days in a row. So I guess if nothing else, I'm at least consistent. I hope you all have a fantastic day. We're heading into the weekend, and I don't know, weekends and weekdays are all the same for me, but for a lot of people it's different. So I hope you have a fantastic weekend. And of course, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.